Hey, kids!
Are you ready for a fun story?
One sunny morning, a little girl named Lily skipped toward the forest. Hey, I'm so excited to play!
Suddenly, a big fluffy bear popped out from behind a tree.
Oh, hello there! My name is Benny the Bear!
Hi, Benny. You're so big and fluffy. I know. I'm big, but I'm very friendly.
Do you want to play?
Play?
I love to play! Let's play hide and seek! I'll hide first! Hee hee, sneaky time!
Oh no, my tummy is too big.
I see you! Let's roll it! Ready, set, go!
Wow, you're fast. Jump with me.
Hello, butterflies. Can I fly too? I'm tired.
Hop on my back, little friend.
Explorer time! Yes! I'll protect you! That was the best day ever.
I agree. Playing with you made me very happy.